Hello everyone, welcome to our new video. Our Facebook ad series is going on. If you want to watch the whole series, you can come to our channel and watch those videos from here. Okay, so in today's lecture, we'll show you how to verify domain in Facebook Business Manager. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, we just need to come to the Business Manager section for verifying domain. So you can see over here I'm in the business settings option of my business manager. So if I scroll down a little bit, then I have an option called brand safety and suitability, and inside this I have an option called domains. So I'm going to click on domains, then I'll click on add. So you have two options available here, like you can request access to a domain, or if you want, you can create a new domain. So I'm going to click on create a new domain. Okay, then I need to provide a domain over here. So I'll be verifying domain for this website. Okay, so I'm going to copy the URL and paste it over here. So make sure you remove HTTPS : okay, and this one as well. So you just need to put your domain over here. So I'm going to click on add. So you can see over here, so you can verify your domain in 3 ways. So one is you can add a meta tag to your HTML source code. You can upload an HTML file to your root directory, or if you want, you can update the DNS TXT record with your domain register. So you can choose any of these options. So I'm going to choose the first one. So what you need to do, you can see over here, verify this domain by copying and pasting the provided meta tag code into the header section of your website homepage HTML code. So you just need to copy this code and put it in the header portion of your website admin panel. Okay, so I'm gonna copy it from here, and I need to go to the admin panel of this website. So this is a WordPress CMS. So for going to the admin panel, I'll write the website URL, then I'm gonna write /wp-admin. Okay, so I'll go to the appearance section, and inside appearance I have an option called theme file editor. Okay, I'll scroll down a little bit and I'll click on header.php. So if I scroll down, then you have an option called header. So I need to paste this meta tag code to the header portion as described. So I'm going to copy it again and paste it in the header portion. Okay, perfect. Then I'll click on update file. So you can see over here, file edited successfully. So I'll visit the page and do some activities, like I'm gonna go to the about us page. I'll click on services. Okay, then I need to click on verify domain. Okay, so I'm gonna click on verify domain. So it will be verified momentarily. Okay, so you can see over here, tip Analytical Growth services has been verified. Okay, so this is how you can verify your domain. So if you want, you can assign the partner, like if you have a partner business ID, then you can share this domain with the partner, or you can, if you want to give the domain asset access to someone else, then you can do it from here. Okay, so yeah, that's it for this video. Hopefully you have understood how to verify domain inside Facebook Business Manager. Yeah, you have a good day. Bye bye.